So there was a case that one student was so adamant to apply to only one university because मेरे ख्याल से he must have searched on Google या AI के through उसको one or two option he got और उसके बाद it was very difficult for us to convince him for other options. So एक डाउट आता है मेरे को कि आजकल जो स्टूडेंट सर्च करते हैं ऑनलाइन या AI के थ्रू वो इन्फॉर्मेशन कितनी अपडेटेड है और कितनी करेक्ट है.
See, to the most level, it's very updated and it's pretty accurate information. But first, we need to understand is that AI is definitely becoming a very important resource tool for everyone in their lives, their day-to-day lives, especially when it comes to students actually deciding where to study abroad. Not just study abroad, anywhere, study anywhere because it helps you understand course structures.
Okay.
It helps you understand which university is the perfect fit for you. It can also help you compare universities and compare countries as well. What's the best right fit for you in terms of...
But I still feel there should be certain limit कि हम उस पर डिपेंड कर सकते हैं.
There has this limit to only. I think the point you're getting to is that there should be some sort of a human touch to it, which is always necessary. No matter how much you believe in technology, no matter how advanced it is, you should always have some sort of a human touch to it. Because what AI is not going to help you do is, see, it's going to help you understand a little basic structure of what is required and what it's going to get you a basic understanding of what you need to do. But when it comes to advanced things such as, see, this बहुत ज़्यादा involved होता है. Let's say sometimes it can help you choose you might just end up choosing the wrong intake.
Okay.
You might just end up choosing the wrong country based on some similar factors. Could be various basic structure तो बता देगा कि आपका you've done commerce, so you're probably best suited for a
Bachelor, हाँ बिल्कुल.
as well, right? That's very basic.
There are other options as well.
What it
हाँ.
won't help you understand is कि अगर आपने math करी है नहीं करी, real time structures.
बिल्कुल.
जैसे some universities are accepting students from certain regions who have not done math for a Bachelor of Commerce, whereas the other university even math के साथ भी नहीं कर पा रही because at that particular time they're not accepting students from that particular.
बिल्कुल.
So it's always best to understand basic understanding कि आपको यह कहाँ तक help कर सकता है. But when it comes to making the final decision, there should be a human involved in that.